First, make sure your Vizio smart TV is connected to the internet. You can use either Wi-Fi or plug in an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Next, press the V button on your Vizio remote control to access the SmartCast home screen. From the SmartCast home screen, navigate to the App Store. Depending on your Vizio model, this may be called the Google Play Store. Search for Spectrum TV in the App Store and select it. Click Download and then Install. The app is free to download, but you'll need a Spectrum account to use it. Once installed, open the Spectrum TV app to begin using it. Now that the app is installed, open the Spectrum TV app on your Vizio TV. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. After signing in, you might see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Grab a smartphone or computer and go to spectrum.net/activate. Enter the activation code shown on your TV and follow the on-screen prompts to link your TV to your Spectrum account. Once activated, you can start enjoying live TV, on-demand content, and your DVR recordings directly on your Vizio Smart TV. Note that QR code activation may also be an option, which is easier and quicker.